That happened to me on a plane once. I got thrown off a plane.
For doing what?
For falling asleep and snoring on a plane so loud before the plane took off. Before the plane took off, I did one of those, like you're choking? And the fucking people around me got up and the stewardess came over and she's like, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, why? She goes, you were just choking to death. You can't do this. What's wrong with you? And I go, I got sleep apnea. She goes, you can't fly on this plane like this. I had done like a one day without sleeping, like one of those shows.
Oh,
like,
no.
I stay out till 3 and I get back up and I got to fly at 5:30 or something out of Houston. They put me on a later flight, man. They were scared.